God bless everyone and God bless mom. Today I'm going to discuss the key players of the global market. Number one is the consumers. Consumers are defined as individuals or businesses that consume or use goods and services. Consumers are the purchasers within the economic that buy goods and services, and they can exist as consumers as alone or alone as the consumers. So consumers, muna sila ang mugamit sa mga, muna sila ang mu-use sa goods and services. Like for example, ang isa ka customers, mubay na siya og isa ka produkto, then iha nang gamiton ang product. So mo to siya ang consumers. So consumers is katong yang paggamit sa isa ka produkto. And then stakeholders. Stakeholders is any individual, group, or party that has an interest in an organizations and the outcomes of its actions. Common examples of stakeholders include employees, customers, shareholders, suppliers, communities, and governments. Different stakeholders have different interests, and companies often face trade-off in trying to please all of them. Customers are stakeholders of a business and that they are impacted by the quality of services, products, and their value. For example, passengers traveling on an airplane have their lives and the company's hand with 50 flyings with the airplane. So stakeholders, so mura na sila corporations nga magtinabangay na sila in order to achieve the goal of a business na para mo effective ang isa ka business o mapagrow ilahang business. So kana sila ang stakeholders, which is the interest in an organization, which is the including the employees, customers, suppliers, and the communities. And then the customers. Customers are stakeholders of a business and that they are impacted by the quality of a service, products, and their value. So, kabalo naman taon say mga customers, no? So, customers, it is the person nga responsible to buy the product in order to mahalin ang isa ka produkto. So sila po yung mga responsible nga mobay sa mga isa ka produkto or sa atong produkto na para mulago po ang isa ka company or a business para mabenta ang business produkto. So employees have a direct stake in the company in that they earn an income to support themselves, along with other benefits, both monetary and non-monetary, depending on the natures of the business. Employees may also have health and safety interest. So, for example, in the industries of transportations, mining, oil and gas, constructions, and etc. So, ang employees DI, it is the, like for example, ang employees is, di ba, sa isa ka company or sa isa ka company, naman na sila, like for example, na kay factors, na kay business, na mauna sila ang responsible nga mo support sa imuha, mo support sa imong business nga mapalago ang imuhang business. So employees is kanang murag trabahante sila. Sila ang trabahante sa imuhang business or sa imuhang company. Investors include both shareholders and debt holders. Debt holders, shareholders invest capital in the business and expect to earn a certain rate of return on that invested capital. So investors are commonly concerned with the concepts of shareholder value. So investors is muna sila ang mo capital, mo try to mangita og business nga mo sila ang parang root jud sa company na sila yung pinanggagalingan ng business. So sila yung nag-i-invest ng capital or ng product. And then suppliers. Suppliers and vendors sales goods and or services to a business and rely on it for revenue generations and ongoing income. In many industries, suppliers also have their health and safety on the line as they may be directly involved in the company's operations. So suppliers, so sa isa ka company, naman jud ta na suppliers. So if you are a businessman or businesswoman, na jud kay supplier sa isa ka sa area. Like for example, diri ka sa Maranding, gusto ka mo baligya didto sa Kapatagan or diri ka sa Lala, gusto nimo nga imuhang product is mabenta dito sa Kapatagan, so dapat naapod kay suppliers na kay distributors. So kaning suppliers mo na silang distributors nga mo distribute sa imuhang product. And then communities are major stakeholders in large businesses located in them. They are impacted by a wide range of things including job creation, economic development, health and safety. When a big company enters to or exists a small community, there is an immediate and significant impact on employment, income, and not but spending in the area. With some industries, there is a potential health impact too as a companies may alter the environment. So communities. So as a businessman or a businesswoman, kabalo ka sa community unsa ka mas posible nga mabenta sa imuhang community, sa imuhang baligyaan, di ba? Sa isa ka community dapat kabalo jud ka unsay mas mabenta dito. So unsay mas ganahan ang community, unsay mabenta sa community. So mao na siya nga you should think nga unsa ba kahay mas mabenta sa isa ka community, unsa ilang need dito. So mao to pod imong i-invest or ibaligya sa isa ka community. Okay, so the governments also are considered major stakeholders in a business as they collect taxes from the company, corporate income taxes, as well as from all the people it employs, payroll taxes, and from other spending the company incurs. Sale taxes, government's benefits from the overall gross domestic product. So that companies contribute to. So of course, as our rule po sa governments is to collect the taxes of your business. So as a business pod, so sa atong business pod, kinahanglan pod is napod tay business permit. Nga sa business permit kay kinahanglan jud na siya sa government kay naa na sila mga taxes. Ang government pod is napod na responsible pod nila na nga pang-kolektahan og mga taxes ang every business diri sa ka countries kay para pod sa mga constitutions of the government. Isa po na sa constitutions of the government to collect the taxes of the business or from the company, no? So I think natapos na yung report ko, and thank you so much. And this is Dilabayan Jabir from Section V, Bachelor of Science and Social Work. And this is Jack 3. Thank you.